Hello, students. How are you? Are you ready for today's lesson? Okay, if it's yes, let's start. If you remember in previous lesson, we were talking about comparative adjectives, and let's continue. Let's revise. And here you can see three words with different pictures. And now your task will be to read and make a sentence. For example, expensive. The car is more expensive than the boat. But the third activity is a little bit different. Write sentences beautiful, difficult, enormous. The cat is the most beautiful, right? So, good. Let's move on. Main part of today's lesson, and let's start with new words. Look at this picture. Lake, lake. Four letters. Lake, L-A-K-E, K-E. Lake. Branch, branch. Branch, it's a part of the tree, but twig is a part of the branch. So, twig, twig. Net, net. One more time. Net. Big, big. Look at these pictures. It's a part of the bird, and it's like their nose. Big. Alright, here we have three different animals: penguin, albatross, and swan. Look, one more time. Penguin, albatross, swan. Enormous. It's something very, very big. Enormous. Look at this dinosaur. It's enormous, right? Here we have the next activity. Look at this picture and what do you think? What is it? Four letters. Lake. L-A-K-E. Alright, write the correct noun under each picture. Here we have 6 pictures. Let's start with the first one. So, lake. Second, branch. Third, net. Alright, so, fourth, twig. Fifth one. Do you remember that pictures? Yes, big. Good. So, now let's read the sentence and look at these 4 pictures: duck, albatross, penguin, and swan. What is the difference? Let's read. I will read, your task will be to find which bird is it, okay? It is usually white, and it is a graceful bird. It has a long neck and it lives on lakes and rivers. It builds an enormous nest near the water. Duck? Albatross? No. Penguin? No. It's a swan. Number 2. It can dive and it can swim fast. It has, look at his fat feet. So it can see well underwater and it catches fish. It is black and white. It can live in a cold place. In a cold place, Right, penguin. It's a C. Third one, it has strong white wings, and it is a beautiful bird. It has hooked beak. It is in danger because fishing nets can trap it. Right. So, good. So let's move on. And here we can see three different pictures: albatross, penguin, and swan. The question is, which bird is the biggest? Swan, right? Which bird is the most interesting and why? You think so? And the last question, which bird is the most beautiful and why? Okay, thank you for joining. That's the end for today. So, see you in the next lessons. Goodbye.